Have you ever wondered what the future of AI in personal computing might look like? Well, you might not have to wait much longer to find out. We're on the brink of a technological revolution, with Microsoft ready to step into the spotlight with its soon-to-be-released Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6. These aren't just your typical computing devices. Instead, they promise to be the first AI PCs, bringing together powerful processors and advanced neural processing units to enhance their AI capabilities. Imagine a world where your personal computer isn't just a tool, but an intelligent companion that understands and assists you in ways you never thought possible. That's the kind of future these new Microsoft devices aim to create. The Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 are set to be unveiled on March 21st, marking a new era of AI-enhanced personal computing. These devices are expected to deliver a level of efficiency and performance that rivals the iPad Pro and MacBook Pro. But they stand apart with their AI prowess. They're designed to support the upcoming AI features in Windows 11, including real-time live captions and translations, upscaling for games, and upgraded Windows Studio effects. These features are designed not just to enhance the user experience, but to transform it entirely. But perhaps the most exciting feature that sets these AI PCs apart is the AI Explorer. This innovative tool will work across any app, allowing users to search through documents, web pages, images, and chats using natural language. It's like having your own personal assistant that understands context and suggests tasks based on what's on your screen. As we approach the launch, anticipation builds for these devices that promise to redefine our understanding of personal computing. Stay tuned, as the future of AI in personal computing is just around the corner. You might be asking, how do these new devices stack up against the competition? Well, let's dive into that. When pitting the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 against heavyweights like the iPad Pro and MacBook Pro, the competition seems to be quite fierce. However, these new entrants from Microsoft are not just making a token appearance. They are here to challenge the status quo. In terms of efficiency and performance, the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 are said to be on a par with their Apple counterparts. This means that whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or a multitasking pro, these devices are expected to deliver the performance you need, just as effectively as the iPad Pro or MacBook Pro. One might wonder, how is this possible? Well, these new Surface devices are expected to be Microsoft's first AI PCs, equipped with powerful processors that boast the latest neural processing units, or NPUs. These NPUs are designed to supercharge AI capabilities, enabling faster processing and efficient performance. This is a significant leap in personal computing, bringing the power of AI right to your fingertips. Moreover, the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 are expected to be among the first machines to support upcoming AI features in Windows 11. This means they are not just designed to match the current capabilities of their competitors. They are future-ready, geared to embrace the next wave of AI-enabled functionalities. But it's not just about raw power. Efficiency is another key aspect where these devices are expected to shine. With rumored all-day battery life, these machines are designed to keep up with your demanding schedule without compromising on performance. This is a feature that has been a strong selling point for devices like the iPad Pro and MacBook Pro, and it's great to see Microsoft stepping up to the plate in this regard. Clearly, Microsoft is not playing around when it comes to delivering power and performance. With the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6, they are making a strong statement in the realm of personal computing. And this is just the beginning. The world of AI is evolving rapidly, and these devices are poised to be at the forefront of this exciting journey. But what about the software? What does Windows 11 bring to the table with these new AI PCs, you might ask? Well, let's dive in. The anticipated AI features in Windows 11 are nothing short of impressive, and they promise to redefine how we interact with our computers. Firstly, let's talk about real-time live captions and translations. This feature is set to be a game changer. Imagine watching a foreign language film without subtitles and having Windows 11's AI offering you real-time translations. Or consider being in a noisy environment and having live captions pop up during your video call. This is inclusivity and convenience at its best. Next, we have the upscaling for games. Now this is a treat for all the gaming enthusiasts out there. With this feature, Windows 11's AI will enhance the graphics of your games in real time. providing a much more immersive experience. It's like adding a sprinkle of magic to your gaming sessions, and it doesn't stop there. Windows 11 is also expected to roll out upgraded Windows Studio effects. This means that you'll be able to take your media creation to the next level. Whether you're editing a video, creating an animation, or designing a 3D model, these upgraded effects promise to make the process smoother, and the end result more stunning than ever before. And let's not forget, all these features are powered by the latest neural processing units, or NPUs, which are designed to handle these AI tasks with grace and efficiency. These AI enhancements in Windows 11 are poised to deliver a truly next-level user experience. It's clear that the future of personal computing is here, and it's smarter than ever. So, are you ready to embrace it? Now, let's talk about a standout feature that sets these AI PCs apart: the AI Explorer. This tool is designed to revolutionize the way we interact with our personal computers, and here's how. Imagine being able to search across any app on your device with just a few keystrokes, or even a simple voice command. That's the basic premise of AI Explorer. But it goes way beyond just locating files or documents. Whether you're browsing web pages, scanning images, or even sifting through chats, AI Explorer can retrieve the information you need using natural language. You could ask it to find the latest draft of the marketing report or photos from the summer vacation, and it'll do the work for you. But the true genius of AI Explorer lies in its ability to understand context. It's not just about finding what you're looking for, but also understanding why you're looking for it. Let's say you're in the middle of a chat with a colleague about a project deadline. AI Explorer might suggest pulling up the project timeline or remind you to send an update to your team. It's like having a personal assistant who's always one step ahead, ready to anticipate your needs. And here's the kicker. AI Explorer creates a searchable history of everything you do on your computer. This means you can easily retrace your steps, find that elusive file you worked on last week, or even get insights into your own productivity patterns. In essence, AI Explorer is not just a feature, it's a game changer. It's set to redefine how we interact with our devices, making them more intuitive, more efficient, and ultimately more in tune with our needs. It's a glimpse into the future of personal computing, and it's all happening right here, with Microsoft's upcoming Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6. So, mark your calendars for March 21st and get ready to explore the future of AI in personal computing. Before we wrap up, there are a few more features of the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 worth mentioning. These aren't just your average devices. They're designed with the user in mind, combining power, performance, and practicality in a sleek package. Let's talk battery life. It's rumored that both the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 will have all-day battery life. That's right, you heard it here first. Your work, play, or creativity doesn't have to be interrupted by the constant need to recharge. Whether you're at the office, on a plane, or in a coffee shop, you can trust these devices to keep up with you. Now, onto the display. The Surface Pro 10 is expected to sport an anti-reflective HDR-capable OLED screen. Imagine the sharpness, the clarity, the vibrant colors. It's basically like having a high-end television right at your fingertips. And it doesn't stop there. The device is also rumored to come with a front-facing ultra-wide webcam, making your video calls feel more like face-to-face meetings. And to top it all off, it's expected to have an NFC reader, opening up a world of possibilities for contactless communication. Moving on to the Surface Laptop 6, it's slated for a significant redesign. While details are still under wraps, we can't help but anticipate what Microsoft has in store for us. If the past iterations are anything to go by, we're in for a treat. From the quality of materials to the attention to detail, Microsoft has proven time and again that they know how to make a good-looking device. With all these exciting features, the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 are shaping up to be impressive AI-powered machines. Stay tuned for their official unveiling on March 21st.